Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to pair the UE Wonderboom Bluetooth speaker to a Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 model. And of course, if you have a Samsung phone that's using Android Oreo, then it should work. So let's get started. Before we do anything with the phone, let's go ahead and get this thing into pairing mode. So the UE Wonderboom has two main buttons on the top here. We have the on and then we have the pairing mode 1 here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and press down the power button. All right, and then once you hear that, you'll see that light up, which means the speaker is now on. And then we're going to long press that pairing button here until you hear that other tone sound play. So it's about maybe 3 to 4 seconds long. So it's going to hold it down. All right, so once you've gotten it to do that, you'll notice the rapid blinking lights as well, which means the UE Wonderboom is now in pairing mode. And with that said and done, guys, let's go into the settings of our Samsung phone here. And then we'll go to where it says connections, and then we'll go to where it says Bluetooth and power on the Bluetooth settings. As you do that, of course, it's going to start searching for nearby devices, and you'll see UE, well, just Wonderboom actually, it will show up as Wonderboom. There you go. And once you see that, just tap on it one time. It'll say pairing. You hear that tone sound from the Wonderboom, and of course, it'll say it's connected for media audio. And that's it, guys. Once you've gotten to that part, you're good to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.